All right, so we have been talking, we have been reviewing your performance for January, and the performance-wise, I think was okay. I mean, you're not losing, you're gaining profits.
Yeah.
So overall, in January, it was a good trade.
Thank you.
So the next question is whether you follow the major trend or you take trades, or exit timing is based on the lower time frame or not.
Mm-hmm.
So what did you think about your overall trade in January?
First, very nice to meet you again, Kei-san.
Yep.
As you saw that generally I got 22%, around 20% increase.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Profit-wise,
yeah.
Yeah, there's some lag there, but generally I think I got some good trend and also be able to control some loss. As you mentioned that one of my challenges to overcome the frustrations because based on the strategy here, that here is in the end we won't have a very high win rate, and which means we will have a lots of break-even loss cuts. And for me, that was quite frustrating, and in the end, somehow pushed me to somehow cut the profit in a quite early stage, and somehow also pushed me to too many focusing on the lower time frame chart, like the 50-minute.
Okay.
So I think it was very good brain ask for me, is that I need to step back and to look at more about the whole pictures, about the trends from the 4-hour or daily charts. That's a very good
I guess
from you, I think.
Yeah, I guess that was a lesson for January.
Yeah.
So, make sure so first you watch the daily chart or the 4-hour chart. You see the bigger picture, and you saw the trend on these higher time frames.
Yeah.
But when it comes to taking a trade, you see the lower time frame, and when you exit, you only see the lower time frame, and you never look at the higher time frame. Is it correct?
Yes, because after had this several continuous break-even loss cuts, somehow starting to feel like maybe I can just end the trade earlier when there's still some profits there.
Okay.
And but again, as you shared that when I step back and do the whole, look at the whole pictures, and generally the trend is, because we confirm the trend and the entry.
Sure.
So in the end, there's a high possibility that we could have a more in the end, actually.
So I think the entry timing was very good. Yeah, you got the nice picture for the entry timing. And even if you got break-evens and small losses over time, eventually you got 22% return. So that's a result overall. And I think that's a good thing, because basically that's I'm waiting for too. I'm waiting for the breakout. I'm waiting for the market to go towards my direction. And every time I take trades, that is in my mind. So small losses are okay. Break-evens are okay because they happen along the way.
Yeah.
But once you get the bigger pips on profit, then you should run. You should keep running, extending the profit as much as possible based on the higher time frame. Yeah.
Exactly. I think even for those trades I won this month, when I look back, actually there are more profit there that I should be able to take.
So if you kept these positions, then the market goes towards the direction all the way.
Exactly.
So I think this is a psychology, but you can make profits in Forex like this. It's possible. it's possible because that's what I do every month and every year. For the last 5 years, it's been profit. But the thing is, so I think the next step is how you make profit, how you exit the position is the next topic. Yeah. Because you don't want to be busy placing orders every day, exiting every day, and look at the chart every day, every hour. You don't want to do that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
Because of course I know you're busy, a business person, and yeah, you need lots of tasks, other tasks to do. You have to have time for your family too, yeah, over the weekend. So, and I think that's important to have a balance in between the trading hours and also the working hour and family hour. So to make balance, in my opinion, you want to be time efficient. So that means you want to have less time to check charts and have more profit as the market goes on. So yeah, hopefully you can keep practicing on this trading strategy in the month of February, and we meet again.
Sure.
Yeah.
I will definitely
share
that with.
Sure. And for those who are watching this video, I think you might be having the same struggle. Like you might be taking trades, looking for the opportunities every day, exiting every day, multiple positions and multiple charts and markets. But you know, once you get break even, once you hit the break even, then basically you just sit back and relax and enjoy how the market goes. If the market goes towards a direction, then you just keep extending it until the market direction, I mean the trend, until the trend ends. So that's the psychology part. But I think this is a very important to remember, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So I think somehow when I had some trades and some win trades, some of course or some loss trades, I kind of, as you said, forgot some of my initial intentions, like trying to have more time with family. So exactly that part I need to be improved and refine my trading strategies based on my current works.
And eventually you want to have a time to create some nice robots.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. That's
which is your dream.
That's my dream.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully that dream can come true soon. So yeah, but for that dream to come true, then you want to improve your trading habits and also psychological management.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you. I mean, this is a very important time. I mean, for me, somehow I got a little bit step ups from my from before, like half years ago. But still, when I looking back and when I looking forward, what's kind of actually the objectives for me to take in trades? Yeah, exactly. To have an efficient way to run a profit.
Sure.
Yeah, that's for sure the part I need to improve and would like to have more good practice on those.
Okay, sounds good. So yeah, now in this January, you're taking trades with a real account, so you can keep trading real account and get decent returns every month. Then yeah, we'll see you again on February and see how it goes along the way.
Yep.
All right. So yeah, thank you for the time, and yeah, see you again.
See you again.
All right. So for those watching the video, I hope to see you on the next video or the live stream on the first channel. So yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you. Have a good trade.
All right. Have a good trading days. ありがとうございました。